Good afternoon and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use an online application called TodaysMeet. And this is a really nice application because it doesn't require any sort of download or software. It's all online. This is the home page. There should only be a couple elements you can actually interact with here. You've got the quick start over here where you jump right into making a room, or you can log in or create an account up here at the top. I've already made an account, so I'm gonna go ahead and log in. Get started here. Okay, so I'm all logged in. On the right is a list of rooms. So far the only one I've actually got is Tutorial 101 when I was practicing this video earlier. But I'm going to show you how to make a different room. Over here on the left is open a new room. All you have to do is type in the name for your room and choose how long you want to keep it open. It can go from as low as 1 hour to a year, although the year is specially reserved for those who pay the subscription of $5 a month to achieve teachers tools. But we'll talk more about that in a minute. I'm just going to set it up for a couple hours. Won't need it any more than that. Definitely not. You can choose to limit it to people who are simply logged in or people who are in your school, but once again that's part of the teachers tools. I'm going to put anyone because I seriously doubt anyone's going to come in. And adding a password is restricted to teachers tools as well. So with that, we're going to open up the room. Alright, so pretty simple interface. You've got on your left the column where all the messages are going to show up, and on your right you're going to put in your name, and you can just put in one name, your first given name. I tried doing my full name first and it wouldn't take it. Or you can do a screen name, so long as it's just one word. Now you'll notice right above the message there is a limit for 140 characters. That isn't a whole lot, but you're probably not going to need that many anyways, and if you do, you can just write out multiple messages. So when you write your message, it will pop up on the left and everyone can see it, everyone who is logged in. And if you leave the room and come back, all the messages are still going to be there, so you don't have to worry about leaving and having to type out all your stuff again. It's still there. Although you can delete your messages if you wish, if you type something you didn't mean to type, or if you made a mistake. Then you can just get rid of it. Now, also on this page, at the bottom, you will see a little button called Room Tools. And there are a few things you can do here. You can either put it with projector view, where you can show it on a projector. You can generate a QR code for ease of use by those using iPhones or iPads. You can close the room right here. This will permanently close the room forever. No more opening it back up, so be careful. It'll ask you for confirmation when you do it, so you don't mess up. And here at the bottom, you have the option to save a transcript. And when you open the transcript, it'll show all the messages. There's just one for me right now, and what you can do is you can copy and paste those messages into a text document. And you got yourself a nice little transcript offline. And it'll have the timestamps and everything for everybody. Now, for joining a room, I actually made 2 accounts so that I can show you how to join a room. Joining a room is as simple as typing in the URL for the room. So you would type in TodaysMeet.com / and then the name of your room. And there you are. You can see I am not... Okay, I am actually logged into the account that I was in before, but it really doesn't matter because you could still join the room because I made it to where anyone could join. Not logged in. Still can see the messages. And I can still join the discussion. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. This is a really simple website to use, and I really don't think anyone's going to have any trouble learning it and getting used to it. And being as simple as it is, there are several uses that you could actually implement this with, like polling your students or starting a forum where students can ask questions and their classmates can give their thoughts on a certain topic. It's a really simple website to use, and I hope that you're able to make the most out of it with this tutorial. Thank you, and I'll see you later.